Hey everyone, this is Lisa with WTI. If you're looking for the perfect seat cushion, let me share with you what I got here. If you're sitting down for extended periods of time, you definitely need to check this seat cushion out. This has provided so much relief to my husband and I. I love how well this is. You're going to see that it's perfectly ergonomically designed. This also provides so much comfort to us when we're sitting down for extended periods of time. I appreciate that it's also anti-slip, so it won't be moving around wherever you place it. You're going to see as well that the case is removable, so this means you can wash it anytime. I also like that it has this gel inside, which that provides a cool down, and it also provides additional comfort. I love everything about this seat cushion and I would highly recommend it. With that being said, if you want to bring comfort wherever you go, definitely check this one out, and that is my point of view.